Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a ledger from a purchase book. Begin by reviewing each purchase entry and confirming dates and amounts. Next, total each column and prepare separate ledger accounts for suppliers. Post totals by date, keeping debits and credits consistent. Reconcile balances with supplier statements and correct any errors promptly for accurate accounting records. Start with a clean ledger sheet and label accounts by supplier and date. Transfer the purchase book totals into the matching supplier ledger, entering amounts under debit or credit as appropriate. Keep a running balance after every entry and note invoice references for traceability. Periodically compare ledger balances with the purchase book totals to catch mistakes early and maintain tidy books that make month-end reconciliation simple. Watch out for common errors like posting to the wrong account or skipping the carry forward step. Always cross-check invoice numbers and amounts to prevent transposition mistakes. Use a simple check column to mark posted entries and reconcile weekly if possible. Small routines, like noting source pages and using consistent descriptions, save time and reduce stress when preparing month-end reports or answering vendor queries.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.